This is Heather Lottinen from the Flourish Academy. This is episode 511, and you're definitely going to want to join us in the Flourish Academy community group on Facebook, because yesterday I announced that we are having a free photo challenge accompanied by a live photo critique. Now, we've been doing these challenges for several months inside of the membership, and everyone loves them. They learn a lot, we work together, and we create amazing images. So I'm gonna post a link below for you to jump in this challenge. It's free. I'm going to announce it in the next few days, meaning specifically what the challenge is. And all you have to do is click the link and join. And then I'll create an album. So I'll have the challenge, I'll create an album. Everybody will add their photos to that album. And you will also have the option to put your photos in for the live photo critique. So we have done one of those in the past in the community group, but we do them monthly inside of the membership. And you can learn so much just from watching us talk about other people's photos, not even your own. Some people like to submit, some are a little bit shy. I would love if you would participate. In fact, wait a minute. Maybe I could find some way, maybe I could make up some incentive that if you participate in the challenge and you submit your photo for the critique, you win something. I don't know. I just came up with that because I want to encourage you to do so, because I think that you'll learn a lot. These challenges are a ton of fun. Again, I'll be announcing the challenge in a few days, but you'll want to jump in the community group, because over the course of the next week and a half, I'm going to be there doing a ton of live videos helping you. So you can ask questions, and it's kind of like live coaching and mentoring, and we'll be working together on these challenges. It's super fun. I'll see you inside of the group.